Hi, I'm Will Redman, Distributor Manager North for Thwaites Dumpers. This is an introduction handover video regarding the operation, safety features and maintenance of your Thwaites 9-tonne and 6-tonne cab dumper. Firstly, the cab can be accessed from both sides and the door is easily opened whilst maintaining 3 points of contact with the steps and handrails. The mirrors can be positioned to your preference by moving them in all directions. The cab door can be held open completely like so, or closed by pulling this release lever here. The cab door can be fully closed or opened with the lever, or held open by the latch on warmer days. The interior cab light is found above the operator's head as you would expect. A simple push on and off. For your safety, the seat belt must be worn. The release button is here behind the latch, which allows you to pull the belt round you, as demonstrated. Once the operator is seated and the seat belt engaged, the green beacon will flash to show compliance. Motion is inhibited should the seat belt be unfastened. The operator's seat can be adjusted to your liking. Personal weight adjustment is done by altering the knob in the middle. Forwards and backwards can be done by pulling the lever centrally, and the rear backrest is adjusted by the lever on the left hand side of the seat. Dashboard controls. From left to right we have the horn and the indicators, the camera monitor which is set to forward facing until reverse gear is selected. The camera will give all round visibility. Daytime running lights. Up for daytime running lights on, central for side lights, bottom for headlights. DPF regeneration switch, ignition, hazard warning light and multifunction display. For more detail on camera settings and the multifunction display, please refer to the operator's manual where all features are covered in detail, including fault codes for troubleshooting. On the right hand side of the operator's seat you will find the windscreen wiper control switch, and depending on your machine options, this is where your working light and rear wiper switches are located. The washer fluid for the windscreen is located here on the right hand side of the cab. It can be accessed easily and should be topped up 25mm from the top. The heater controls are on the right hand side of the operator, turned on by selecting one of the 3 fan speeds here and adjusting the temperature here. The aircon can be turned on or off, but the fan speed must be on. The best results for the aircon are achieved, just like in a car, by having the vents open and the doors closed. The spring-activated hydraulic release handbrake is located on the right-hand side of the operator. Lift the collar and release forwards to unlock. The handbrake will engage in the event of an engine fail. An audible warning sound will alert you if forward or reverse is selected whilst the handbrake is still on. Use the lever here to the side of the steering wheel to select forwards and reverse. Selecting reverse will change the camera to the rear view. The skip control lever is located on the left hand side of the operator. To raise the skip, push forwards. To lower the skip, pull backwards. The speed at which the skip can be raised or lowered can be adjusted by depressing the accelerator pedal. For further details of all controls and instruments, the operator's manual can be found here at the rear of the seat. The engine can be accessed as demonstrated here by moving the seat forward, dropping the backrest and pulling the engine release cover handle. The engine oil can be checked here and filled up here. The brake fluid tank is located here. Engine maintenance panels are found here on either side of the cab. Pull the release lever here to open the door, using the stays to keep the door in position. In the right hand side you will find the engine coolant, the hydraulic tank and the isolator switch. In the left hand side you will find the fuel tank and fuel gauge, as well as the electronic control unit. Whenever carrying out maintenance you must always use the red safety props, found under the skip and in the centre of the machine, preventing movement between the front and rear chassis. To use them, simply release the pin, move the red bar into position, and reinsert the pin. For maintenance and cleaning of the windscreen, the screen guard can be raised to allow access to the windscreen. To lift the whole machine as one, only use the two side-mounted eyes on the rear chassis, located here. Other lifting eyes are for individual parts such as the cab or the skip. Any questions regarding the function of a Thwaites dumper or any optional extras you may be considering can be answered by our local distributor or by contacting Thwaites. To find your nearest distributor or to contact Thwaites direct, please search Thwaites online.